Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we have the Note 10 Plus first hands-on, and you can see just how good looking this device really is. It looks beautiful. It has this like shimmer to it as well. It's very interesting in terms of it, but it could just be that a lot of people have marked it, but I don't know. It has like a little shimmer regardless to it. Now overall, I would say it is moving pretty quickly. You still have that Bixby home on the side, which you can get rid of, but overall it seems to move fairly quickly. Let's take a look at the camera. It is getting used to the buttons being on the left side instead of the right, because I automatically went for here, but here is the power button. Now you do have the 3-camera array right here. So you have the zoom, you have the regular, and you have the wide. And then you flip it over and you have the beautiful selfie cam. And again, you have that wider one, which this is just a crop in. I do just like the regular wide. I would say just using that every time. And you also have the new night mode for low light for selfie taking. So that was a rumor, and yes, it is true right there. And you can also do your video, and you can do a live focus video now. So you can blur out the background right away. You can make it a cool effects like that, which I really like. I cannot wait to get more hands-on with this feature, because I think it's going to be one thing that really I like, and I think it's going to be better as more development is made for it. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments section down below. And again, what do you want to see in this video for this phone? What do you want to see it compared to? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.